Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna discuss it how you can crack your zip file password. You download any file that is been protected or password protected file, and you can't unzip that through that password because you don't know the password. So here is the method how can you crack the password and how you can get the password through Linux commands and the Zydra process. So let me show you that I'm trying to random password, but it's not opening because it's not the exact password. So let's begin the video, and before starting, make sure you subscribe channel for more related videos. First of all, you need to open terminal in Linux, and if you don't know how to get Linux, make sure you watch related videos on YouTube, and I will make mine video in next days. So after opening terminal, make sure that you are in the current directory where you have put your file, zip file. I have put that in desktop, so I will go on directory desktop. So put the command cd desktop slash and enter. Then you have to check that where your file is showing there by putting the command ls. So yes, my file that I want to crack is up there in their directory. Next step is you have to clone your Zydra file in your desktop or directory where you are in. So hit the command git clone slash github.com slash hamid82 slash zydra.git, and the link in the description. You may copy the link and paste in there and hit enter. So it will clone the Zydra directory in your system. So I have already done that, so I don't need to do that. Next command is you have to type ls and check it if there is Zydra file in your directory. So that's the main thing. Now you have to run as a root, so type sudo su and type your enter password to run terminal as a root. Then you have to go again in that Zydra directory, type cd Zydra slash and you will be in the Zydra directory. Now you have to run the main command of Zydra, which is script.sh. So type script.sh and it will execute the main files of Zydra program. Then you have to wait until it complete, and after that complete, you have to run the next command, which is python 3 space Zydra.py. It's a Python program. You have to run that program to crack the password. So it's the main interface. After hitting that script, hitting that command, you will be able to run the main Zydra program. Here it is showing an error. Type again, type is python 3 space Zydra.py dash h. H means you want to know the all menu and all the information you have about the program. So here it's showing all the interface, all the inputs you have to type, and what type of password you want to crack. It's showing all the information. So I want to crack the password, and I have a hint that password it must be a number, so I will type a related command. So let's begin the main command and the last step to crack the password. Okay, now let's run the final command to crack that password. So the command is python 3 space Zydra.py space dash f, and the f means I have to find the password. So after that you have to put the path of the directory of the file you want to crack the password. I have to find the password of this file, which is joshel.py. I have to drag that there in there, and you can also add the path manually, and then put a space dash p, and then I have to put digits. I have a clue that it must be a digit. So you can choose uppercase or lowercase what you want to crack. Then dash x and 3 minimum password is 3, and the maximum password x is 4. And I have put the information that password must be 3 to 4 number. It may be 3 digits or it may be 4 digits, and in between these two digits there must be a random password. So it's now hit enter, and it will run automatically and finding the password, which is possible of it's searching of 11,000 password. It must be a one password that will be find out by Zydra. So wait until it get the password. Here you can see it gave me the exact password, which is that file encrypted off. So I'm gonna try that password in that file, which is 4321. Okay, let's move to the file, and let's unzipping that file through that password, which is 4321, and boom, it's now open, and it's now cracked. We get the password and we get the file. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.